Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the YUNZII B87 wireless mechanical keyboard, specifically the butter color variant with cocoa cream V2 switches. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank, and on paper, it certainly seems to pack a punch. First impressions are important, and the YUNZII B87 doesn't disappoint. The TKL, or tankulus, layout strikes a great balance between functionality and desk space. It's compact enough for smaller setups, but still provides all the essential keys for gaming and productivity. The butter colorway is subtle and stylish, and the included wrist rest is a welcome addition for those long typing sessions. Connectivity is a major selling point. The B87 offers 3 modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. This versatility makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and PCs to smartphones. Switching between modes is seamless, and the wireless connections are stable and reliable. The star of the show is undoubtedly the customizable nature of this keyboard. It's QMK via programmable, which means users can remap keys, create macros, and fine-tune the keyboard behavior to perfectly suit their needs. This level of customization is typically found on much more expensive keyboards. The hot-swappable design is another huge plus. This allows users to easily change the switches without soldering, experimenting with different feels and sounds. The pre-installed Cocoa Cream V2 switches are a tactile option, providing a satisfying bump with each key press. The gasket mount design contributes to a comfortable and dampened typing experience. This mounting style helps to isolate the switches and reduce vibrations, resulting in a softer feel and a more pleasant sound profile. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, with a variety of effects to choose from.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.